Friends, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School Sita Sawangi. I am your English teacher Gajanan sir, and today we are going to cover up the first chapter, the last chapter of English Reader, and the name of the chapter is Tinsel World and its first part. So let's begin. So student, before starting the lesson, we must know what is meant by tinsel. A attractive thing or a glamorous thing which attract your mind. So this is all about how the theaters and movies, Hollywood and Bollywood, developed. So pay attention on it. The world of entertainment has come a long way from the era of silent movies to the present satellite television. The presentation of sound and pictures has undergone a tremendous change. Okay, now see what are the different type of changes that we have to see here. Sound and pictures. When sound and pictures started in 1900, radios and moving pictures or movies had just been invented and television did not exist at all. Over the next 100 years, these new inventions created a whole new era of entertainment and completely changed our view of the world. So students, now see that before 1900 there was nothing like this radios and moving pictures, but it was started in 1900. The birth of cinema. In 1895, two brothers named Louis and Auguste invented a machine called cinematograph, which could project moving images onto the screen. The brothers gave their first movie show in Paris in December 1895, and cinema was born. Okay, so this is the story of how the cinema took birth on this planet and how this cinema started. Moving pictures quickly become very popular, and the craze soon spread in the United States. By 1920s, Hollywood on the west coast of USA was the movie capital of the world. You can see this Hollywood. Okay students, first of all try to understand what is meant by what is the difference between Hollywood and Bollywood. The movies or pictures which release in western countries or USA, so these all movies come into the category of Hollywood. And you know, most of the Hollywood movies, they always keep on winning Oscar awards. Why? Because they always give a universal message. As compared to Bollywood movie, they always give a message which is better for the mankind. So that's why they always keep on winning Oscar awards. So now what happens, say the first talkie, early moving pictures had no sound but were accompanied by music from an orchestra or piano. The first major talking picture or talkie was the Jazz Singer, which was made in 1927. It was a silent film that incorporated musical sequences and a few lines of spoken dialogue. The popular success of this film revealed the possibilities of sound. In the beginning, the films were shown in different types of small theaters that usually seated less than 200 people. Admission to such was usually very small, and hence according to the number of people they arrange their seating arrangement. Hollywood, the movie capital, has been successfully leading the world of entertainment since 1900. This industry has continued to grow and prosper. One of the factors of this success is division of films into categories marked by similar styles and themes. Hollywood films can be broadly divided into three eras: the silent eras, classical, and the contemporary. Okay, contemporary means now the time which we are living, that is a contemporary world. So students, in this first chapter of our reading section of English reader, we have read about how the film developed and how it was introduced in Europe and how it started. Okay, I hope you understood it. Its next part of this reading section will do in our next class. Thank you. Have a happy day.